Virtual reality will create the ability for the physical to go into the digital. So effectively, we will have worlds that will exist within the digital space, and we will interact within those worlds as if we interact with each other now. Timeline, within 7 years. That will become the de facto way to interact with the world by 2030. Augmented reality is going to bring that world into this physical world. That's going to be the creepiest one, where we're all going to be wearing like glasses or something that's going to allow us all to hallucinate the same reality in this world. Imagine no longer needing TVs because we can all see a TV. No longer needing any advertising or screens or laptops or phones. All of technology that we have in hard format today will be hologram that we all see. That is the idea of augmented reality. Now, when you combine that with artificial intelligence, that means intelligent, for lack of a better word, beings existing in our world and interacting in our world with us. And we will go into digital worlds to interact with digital beings. This intelligence is going to be molded and placed into every single corner of reality. So you will interact with the internet as if the internet is sentient at every corner where we use the internet, and for every functionality that we use the internet for, and every functionality that we use real life for, that right now we can't use the internet. Having a therapist, having a meeting with somebody who's dead. That kind of stuff we can't even do today, but we will be able to do it in this world where the artificial intelligence representation will be accessible to people. Now, when you combine that with quantum computers that have millions of times the computing capacity of the computers that exist today, we get godlike sentience that will be able to think so far beyond the ability for the human mind to think that it will quickly become an alien intelligence, effectively. Other than that, everything's going to be fine.